I am on Town Farm Road in Westford, Massachusetts at a railroad crossing, and I'm going to be showing you some video of each one of these railroad crossing signals up close and personal so you get a bird's eye view of these things. I did a YouTube short on this one right here, and this seemed to have gotten a lot of attention. A lot of people wanted to know where this was, and they seemed kind of shocked by it. Apparently, it's not one that you see every day. I'm going to start by showing you this one first. I've also included some video of some bridges that are very close by. So let's dive right in. Here is the second one in line. This is only a 2-minute walk from the railroad signals, and I'm standing on an abandoned railroad bed next to the live railroad bed. And this is the first bridge you come to, bridge foundation. Now that I'm looking at this closer, I'm going to guess the bridge foundation on the right was just eventually abandoned, and they made the one on the left taller to connect with the other side, which I'm going to show you next. Yeah, I'm convinced that's what happened. The first bridge support that I showed you connects to this one right here. Next, I'm going to show you the Stone Arch Bridge. It was built in 1872 without any mortar. But before we get to the bridge, I'm going to show you the second to last railroad crossing signal. Then it will be time for the big reveal and what's so different about the last signal. I'm now on top. I was just standing on the tracks below. Now I'm going to turn around and take you to the Stone Arch Bridge. I can't wait to show it to you. I'm almost there. Side. I can't even imagine the manpower it took to build this bridge, and not using any cement whatsoever. That is a true feat in itself. Now it's time for the big reveal. We're going to show the last railroad crossing signal at that intersection and find out what is so special about this signal. This is why I did this long content video on this railroad crossing signal intersection. It's because of this one right here. I have taken hundreds of shorts on railroad crossing signals, and this is apparently the first one that I recall ever seeing a no right turn inside the signal itself. Thank you very much for watching, but don't go yet. I have an added bonus, a passing locomotive.